Number 1.
Looking for a powerful drill? The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill is the answer. With its high-performance 300 UWO motor, heavy work becomes easy. Its compact design fits even in tight spaces. It includes 2 XR batteries and a contractor bag. Its dual-speed transmission makes bolting or drilling more precise. Professional power in your hands. Get it now for maximum results.
Number 2.
Speed up your job site with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Driver. It boasts the fastest driving speed in its class without losing control. Its tri-LED lighting brightens up dark work areas. Powerful torque, 2,000 in-pounds. Smooth acceleration prevents stripping screws. Work quickly and neatly. Power, control, and visibility all in one hand. Upgrade your tools now.
Number 3.
Cutting wood without the hassle of cords? The Makita 36-volt LXT circular saw is the champion. It uses 2 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. Its brushless motor technology ensures longer life and stays cool. It delivers 5,100 RPM for professional results. There's also an automatic speed change that regulates torque while cutting. Cordless freedom with corded power, the perfect solution for your large project.
Number 4.
Measure wood without a tape measure and pencil? You can. The REEKON M1 caliber digitizes your miter saw. Simply clamp it, slide the wood, and the measurement will appear instantly on the LCD screen. It cuts up to 3 times faster. High accuracy for both professionals and DIYers. Compatible with most saws. Stop measuring, start cutting. Revolutionize your woodworking experience today.
Number 5.
Measure your space smarter with the EAGLINE Laser Measure. It has a range of up to 195 feet and high accuracy. Even better, it has a Bluetooth feature that connects to your phone app. Take a photo and mark measurements directly. It offers area, volume, and digital level measurement modes. Compact and professional. Measurement made easy. A must-have for contractors and interior designers.
Number 6.
Don't just drill or you'll hit a cable. The Bistee 6-in-1 Stud Finder is your wall savior. It can detect wood, metal, and even live electrical cables behind walls. Its super bright LCD screen with a clear audible alarm. Automatic calibration for easy use. Ensure safety before you drill. The best gift for DIYers at home.
Number 7.
Need a perfectly straight cut? The SKIL 15-amp table saw is the choice. With rack and pinion fence rails, the settings are super accurate and parallel. The 15A motor is powerful enough to cut even thick wood. Compact size but expansive rip capacity. Perfect for a job site or garage workshop. Cutting plywood is easier and faster. Professional quality, affordable price.
Number 8.
Smooth your wood projects with the Narbell Orbital Sander. Its 360-watt motor speeds up sanding by 30%. There are 6 adjustable speeds to suit your needs. An efficient dust system keeps your air clean. The ergonomic design won't tire your hands. Includes 15 sandpapers. A smooth finish every time. Make your woodwork look even more professional.
Number 9.
Experience Japanese precision with the SUIZAN Ryoba pull saw. Unlike a conventional saw, this one cuts while pulling. The result? Thinner, cleaner, and more energy-efficient cuts. Made from top-quality Japanese steel by expert craftsmen. Double edge for rip and crosscuts. Experience a brand new woodworking life. Perfect for those who prioritize detail and artistry in their work.
Number 10.
Cut wooden dowels perfectly flush with the Temple Tool Flush Cut Saw. The blade is flexible and extremely sharp, so it won't damage the surrounding wood. Made in Japan with high-carbon steel, the genuine wood handle is incredibly comfortable to hold. Effortless cutting for a professional finish, the ultimate tool for fine furniture making. Small tool, big benefits.